This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing the new Belkin 3-in-1 wireless charger for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Show you some quick information on the back. This is fast charging at 7.5 watts for your iPhone. You can go ahead and pause this video and check out any of the details there if you'd like. Okay, going inside the box. It's just one piece. Slide this out. One piece for the charging unit itself. So here we are. This is where the iPhone would sit. You can actually put any wireless charging phone on here, but this is recommended for the iPhone. 7.5 watts, so it's not quite 10 watts or 15 watts, but it's definitely the fast charging for the iPhone devices. This is where you put your Apple Watch right here, and it's integrated, so you don't have to bring your own Apple Watch charger. As you can see, it's built in to the stand right there. So usually these stands might have a wireless charger for here, but then they'd force you to put in the one that you got for your Apple Watch here. This comes with that, so that's a nice all-together package. And then back here is where you'd put your Apple AirPods case for charging. And that should work for all the Apple AirPods that are currently available. And then in the back, you have your power port, and that's it. It's all integrated with one cable, one power charger. Go inside of here, and then you can see it's just one power adapter. So Apple was thinking about creating something called the Power Mat, and this is actually available now. You can buy it now. It's just one cable, you plug it in, and you can charge up to 3 devices. Your iPhone here, your Apple Watch here, and your Apple AirPods right there. So as you can see in the picture, it's pretty easy. Charge everything wirelessly all at once without having to plug anything in other than the one cord in the back one time. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.